These are SAE metric. They come in different colors. I went with SAE red, and then my metric ones over there in the cabinet are blue. I wanted to take a minute and talk to you guys about some tool organization. I've worked with Olsa Tools quite a bit and for quite a few years. Where it all started was with their plier racks. You can see I have quite the collection of different types of pliers, cutters, and just about anything you can think of when it comes to pliers. So I started with my plier racks. Love them. It's great for keeping your pliers organized. From there, I went to the socket rails. These work out pretty good. You can just grab the whole pack, take it with you to the job. They did just come out with some new socket holders. These are a 3-row magnetic base. Just trying to decide on how I want to go as far as where I want to organize them within my toolboxes here. These are SAE metric. They come in different colors. I went with SAE red, and then my metric ones over there in the cabinet are blue. Got some sockets clearly labeled, some shallow impacts there. SAE. They got some pretty nice wobble extensions from 1/4, 3/8 to half. They also offer some torque wrenches. I have a 1/4 click, and then I have a 1/2 inch digital. More socket rails, and then they also have this socket head set. Got some longs and some shorts in there. Got a little fastener pry bar set for them pesky Christmas trees you can barely get out. Several different sizes, several different wedges. So they have a lot of stuff to offer. I would encourage you to head over to Olsa Tools, check out everything they have to offer. If you guys are looking to add more to your boxes or organize them, check out Olsa Tools.